Good morning, class. Today we'll be learning about the different phases of the moon. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand, describe, and identify the phases of the moon. We live in an Earth, Moon, Sun system. A system is a set of things that are connected. The Earth, Moon, and Sun are connected because their orbits depend on each other. The Earth orbits around the Sun, and the Moon orbits around the Earth. What even is the moon? The moon is a natural object that orbits around the Earth. Earth only has one moon, and we call it the moon. But other planets like Jupiter have at least 69 or 70 moons. Before this video, you took a poll, and the question was, how many phases are there in a lunar cycle? The correct answer is 8. There are 8 phases. The first phase is the new moon. In this phase, the moon is completely dark. We can't see it, since we can't see the side that the sun is shining on. The second phase of the moon is the waxing crescent. In this phase, we can see sunlight reflecting off only 1/4 of the moon's surface that faces us. The third phase is the first quarter. In the first quarter, we can see sunlight reflecting off of the moon's surface that faces us. The fourth phase of the moon is the waxing gibbous. In this phase, we can see the sunlight reflecting off 3/4 of the moon's surface that faces us. It's not yet a full moon, but it's definitely getting there. The fifth phase of the moon is the full moon. In this phase, we can see the sunlight reflecting off of all the moon's surface that faces us. In this phase, the moon appears round and completely lit up. The seventh phase of the moon is the last quarter phase. In this phase, we can see sunlight reflecting off the half of the moon's surface that faces us. It is the opposite of the first quarter. And the eighth and final phase of the moon is the waning crescent. In this phase, we can see the sunlight reflecting off only about 1/4 of the moon's surface that faces us. Now, take a moment and look over the moon phases. There will be a quiz.